and welcome again to Mhelbeth's table. Well, advance happy New Year to all of you. And of course, today we will make this very delicious recipe that you can serve on New Year's Eve. This is so special and I'm very sure that your family and friends will love this recipe. Alright guys, this is my version of Embotido. Alright, here are the ingredients. Okay, I have about 2 kilograms of minced pork. You can use the pork with a little bit of fat. Okay, now put my minced pork. Okay, you can use chicken as well, guys, but for this time, I'll be using pork. Okay, now I have garlic, 1 head of garlic. It's really good to have a lot of garlic on your embutido, and 1 large yellow onion, as well as yellow onion is really good to have a lot of yellow onion as well. And of course, I have 2 cups of carrots. I just chop it finely. And of course, I have 1 big of red bell pepper. And 1.5 cup of green peas. Instead of using breadcrumbs, guys, I use skyflakes with garlic. This is really good, and you have to make it like a powder like this. So you have to put in, I use 3 pieces of this one. Okay, next I have 2 cups of marble cheese, and I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And of course, this is 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt. And of course, I'll be using 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I will still be using cornstarch, guys, even though I have that skyflakes. Okay, and 2 eggs. All right, and of course, we want it to have the raisins. There you go. Now, we can mix it all up together. Okay, I think that's good enough. Alright, so meron ako ditong foil. Gagawa tayo ng embutido. At lalagyan natin, guys, ng palaman para masarap talaga siya. Okay? Next, meron ako ditong spam. Masarap kasi ang spam. You can use ham as well. Kung wala kayong spam, pero sa akin gusto kong spam. There. And, of course, hindi mawawala yung ating hot dogs. Kasi favorite ni Direk ang hot dog. Kaya lalagyan ko siya ng hot dog. There you go. And then, i-roll up natin siya. Like that. Make sure na nakapasok yung ating inilagay sa gitna. There you go. There. O, diba guys? Humilog na siya. So, ganun lang guys. Gagawin lang natin siyang log. It's like bilog. Ganon. Ganon. Okay? And then make sure to seal. Para hindi siya pasukin ng tubig. There you go. Ganon. Alright. Okay. Ganda. Alright guys, make sure that your water is already boiling before you before you steam the meat, okay? So, check natin, kumukulo na siya, okay? Because I have 2 layers of my steamer. I'll put in first the bigger ones, like that, okay? So, lalagay natin. Yun. So, nagkasya siya sa 4. Sarado. Next, put the rest of the embotido. At meron akong isang maliit. Okay. Let's just wait to boil again and then we will put the heat into medium para swabe yung kanyang pagkakaluto. Alright. So, we will steam this, guys, for about 45 to 1 hour. 45 minutes to 1 hour. But, I'm gonna do it for 1 hour. Okay? Alright, guys. After 1 hour of steaming, let's check with our embotido. Yan. So, palalamigin lang natin saglit, guys, bago natin siya ipiprito. Okay? Pero gusto kong makita yung outcome. There! Wow! So yummy. Ayan, guys. Pwede nyo na siyang ulamin na ganyan lang siya. See? You can just eat like that or you can fry it. Yun, ipa-fry natin siya para mag-brown yung kulay niya para mas masarap tignan. Right? Okay. Alright, guys. Ipa-fry lang natin siya para mag-brown yung kanyang kulay. Okay? So, we'll just put it there. Alright guys, here it is, ang ating special embotido. Pasarap na pambaon sa araw-araw, right? And of course, this is really good for our New Year's Eve celebration as well. Thank you so much everyone, and till next time again. Bye-bye!